Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, I want to show you something. This is yesterday's euro dollar. Did you catch that? Profitable trade. A lot of traders would have missed this and ended up not having such a great day, but let me show you this. And I've been wanting to do this video for quite a while. This is important. So let's just go back to our trade signal. 07518, 7518, entry. It's back in here. That was our entry level there. Okay, 518. That's where we entered that trade. This will be a really important video. Entry short. The other entry was 7979. That was up in here. 7979. Okay, two entry levels. This is how I'm setting up my trades. 0.4% of my account. And this one is 0.2% position size. The risk, stop loss was slightly above this. Let's get the exact level. We'll go with this one, the lower one. So, okay, 0.8409. That was our stop loss, right? This is yesterday's euro dollar stop loss. Okay, let me show you this. Here's the thing. Entry was here. And I've mentioned this a few times. We have these signals. I'm going to go out of here and show you a layout. 3 minute, 5, 15, 30, 1H, 4H. When you enter a trade on MT4, we can jump into and manage the trade on TradingView. I'm looking for my alerts, all my technical analysis, and everything's on TradingView. This is just, MT4 is just the live account. Got 4 of them running. So here's the thing. That's done. We've entered this trade, and on TradingView, we come in and we delete all the alerts. We don't have any alerts running. We don't need to. I mean, you can do that if you want to, but managing the trade, we've entered euro dollar. All we need to do then is come in here, trend channel. So we select that, the dots. Now add alert, and we're going to add the extended. That's okay. And given that these are open running trades, I want this to pop up and make a bit of noise. I'm happy with that. Only once, that's fine. Or once per bar if you want it to, once you see the pop-up, you'll have to come in here to get rid of it. So create, and this is set now. If an alert fires on the 3-minute chart, I'm going to know straight away. So here's the thing. You see when this one fired on the 5-minute, see this? That fired, this is your opportunity. It makes a noise, a pop-up appears, that's going off. Look where it's traded. All right, this yellow line is part of our indicator. This is a daily level. It fires under the daily level. Close. We've entered 2 trades. We've got two trades running. So anyway, we've got the alert running on this time frame. We come in here, we do the same thing. Alert, add the alert. Okay, extended. It'll remember your things, your settings. Done. Come in here, add the alert, right? So we add the alert on these, maybe the hourly, but definitely these 3, 5, 15, and 30, or just 3, 5, 15 if you like. But I want the lower time frame because when the market spikes, look at that opportunity. The limit sell order was triggered here, and this thing spiked all the way down there. This fires. When I see that, I want to exit on the first alert that fires. That's my cue. In the money. Profitable trade, big time. And I mentioned this a couple of times, but I haven't made a video about it. So here's the thing. Coming back over to Telegram. So here we are. We've got these levels. I've got to have levels somewhere. And this is worst case scenario for me. Worst case scenario. And I'm setting these levels up based off daily and 4-hour, or a combo, or maybe just the 4-hour order blocks. So the stop loss will go above a 4-hour, generally a 4-hour order block. But I'm looking at the daily as well. So it gives it room to breathe. And in most cases, we look at our trades, we're winning most of these trades. This is going to spike, we're going to get an alert, exit, take your money and run. Then it goes against, and everybody else out there is having a stop loss hit. So this is what I've been saying up here. See, despite the fact that I include targets, blah, 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 blah. If you manage your trade, like I've showed you here, the outcome is really going to be in your favor. Simple matter. You enter the trade, set up your charts, and I mean, you can keep this and then keep it as a managing your trade workspace if you want to. Let's just call it, rename it. I'll just call it workspace, but you can rename that trade manager if you like. So then you've got different workspaces. You've got a workspace for doing your technical analysis, and that could be 3 or 4 of these different time frames. And then you've got this workspace to come in and manage your open running trades. I think that kind of wraps it up. So watch the video a few times. I'll leave it in here in Telegram for you. Okay, with that, upward and onward. Have a great day. Be careful. It's Friday. Hope you have a nice weekend.